everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got an easy beef tapa recipe that is packed with bold flavors. Traditionally, this famous Filipino cuisine is cured with salt and spices as preservation method. Nowadays, you can easily customize the marinade according to your taste. The marinade for this beef tapa recipe is a combination of sweet, salty, tangy, and garlicky flavors. First, slice the beef sirloin thinly and across the grain so it would be cooked faster and tender. Then, simply marinate it by combining all these ingredients: soda, vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, salt, pepper, and garlic. For the soda, you may use Coke, 7-Up, or Sprite. Then gently massage the beef to fully coat with marinade. Marinate the mixture for 4 to 8 hours or chill in the fridge overnight. Before cooking the marinated beef, drain meat from the marinade. Now we cook. In a skillet over medium heat, add the beef slices and cook, turning on sides for about 1 to 2 minutes or until brown. Pour in the marinade, then add 1 cup of water and simmer until tender. When the water is gone and meat is tenderly cooked, finish it in oil and sauté to crisp up. Then serve. You may serve it with garlic fried rice, sunny-side-up egg, fresh tomatoes, and pickled green papaya. This is perfect for breakfast or any meal of the day. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new to this channel, we upload at least 1 video a week. To stay updated for upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe and bell button so you'll get notified every time we upload. Again, thank you so much for stopping by San Diego's.